I hate doing this. I hate pausing again. I hate pausing again. We could have run that back. I can't. Son, why? Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to another K-pop deep dive. This is day 3 of Ateez week. We are doing Inception, Thanxx, and I'm the One. If you guys enjoy this video, it would mean a lot to me if you would leave a like, subscribe, and comment what you want me to react to next. And yeah, let's get straight into it. Your song? Oh. You know. Oh, I love their hats. Oh my god. Why is he always end up in the crowd? I cannot believe that he made it so good. So much fire. Oh my god. Oh. I. Oh, okay. Okay, Captain. Okay, I see you. I, 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 I. That was such a beautiful song. And the dancing. Oh my god, the dancing. It was so good. I I kind of want to go back and rewatch it, but I don't know. I'll probably rewatch it after the video. I feel like I probably missed something. Anyways, on to the next one. Oh. Oh my god. Sorry, we'll rewind, but oh my god. These fits. Okay. Oh, I go out. You know. Some. Oh my god, that. Oh my god. Ooh. Captain? Oh my god. I love that club. I wanna. No, put it back on. Stop stripping. Ooh. Oh my god. Ooh, that choreo. I already want to see a live stage of it. Oh my god. Minky, please. Oh my god, that choreo. Minky, please. Ooh, that choreo. Oh my god. Don't look at me like that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh. Okay. Okay. been a bit overwhelmed by that one. I I got overwhelmed so quickly. I got overwhelmed so quickly. Oh my. Oh my. Okay. It's such a good song. And the choir hits so hard. It hits so hard. I simply just I did Mingy have to have his shit halfway undone though? Oh my god. Okay. Moving on to the next one. Love the song. Please be fully clothed. Oh my god. Ooh. I'm sorry to do this again, but oh my god, these outfits. Oh my god. Look at it. That one's definitely my favorite. I love that coat. I love that coat. Okay, moving on. Wait, why have I only severed that one? Ooh. Ooh. The glove. I hate doing this. I hate pausing again. We're gonna run that back. I can't. Son, why? Okay, we're just gonna KQ Entertainment will KQ. Okay. Love the one glove look. Ooh, I like that choir. I love that jacket too. I love their outfits so much. Just please don't hold it. God, this choir. Oh my god. Ooh. I love his voice. I love his voice like that. Oh my god, I love his hair. I love his outfit. I love that outfit. Oh my god. So oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, oh, it's this guy again. Okay, 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 okay. Okay. I don't know how to feel about what just happened. I feel attacked. There was so much skin. So much skin show. Oh my god. Okay. Loved the song though, and the choreo was amazing too. I think in that particular song, I think that song has my favorite vocals from Woo Young that I've heard thus far. I could be wrong. We'll have to go through some of the other songs in order to decipher whether that's my favorite Woo Young vocals. I just love the way his vocals are on that track though. I love all of them on that track though. They all did such a good job. They do amazing every time. 10 out of 10. Correction, 9 out of 10 for how much skin is showing. Yeah. No, I can't do that to them. No, still 10 out of 10. Just please. I just want one song where I'm not attacked by half shirtless guys. Oh my god. Okay. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.